Our experience with Booher has been terrific. We initially hired them to remodel two of our bathrooms, and the process was so easy and seamless that when we decided to do a larger remodel of our first floor, Booher was the first company we thought of hiring. The project manager stayed on top of the project through every step, making it easy for us to just relax and let the project pursue. He let us know on a daily basis what to expect, which trades were coming in to work, and how long it would take. He dealt with every detail smoothly and helped us to feel very comfortable with having the whole project done. The results are amazing, and we are so happy with our home and the work that Booher did.